If you are thinking about starting an online store, there is a good chance Shopify is already on your shortlist. It is one of the most popular e-commerce platform in the world and powers millions of online stores, from small businesses to large global brands. But with so many website builders available today, is Shopify still worth it? In this video, we will take an honest look at Shopify, including its features, pricing, pros, cons, and our final verdict. But before that, welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you find the best tools to grow you online. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to check the link from description to get the special offers on Shopify. By using the description link, any available discount or promotion will be applied automatically. Now let's come to the main part of the video. Shopify is an all-in-one e-commerce platform that allows users to create an online store, sell products, process payments, manage inventory, and handle others without needing advanced technical skills. One of the biggest reasons for Shopify's popularity is it includes hosting, security, payment processing options, and store management tools in a single platform. One of the Shopify's biggest strength is ease of use. The platform offers clean dashboard, guided setup process, and beginner-friendly store builder. Even if you have never built a website before, you can usually get a store online fairly quickly. Another major advantage is inventory and order management. Shopify allows you to manage products, track inventory, process orders, and monitor sales from a single dashboard. As your business grows, these tools become increasingly valuable. Shopify also supports multi-channel selling. This means you can sell through your online store, social media platforms, marketplaces, and other sales channels while managing everything from one place. For store design, Shopify offers professional themes and customization options. You can create a modern looking store without hiring a developer, and advanced user can customize the store even further if needed. Marketing tools are built into the platform as well. Shopify includes email marketing, SEO features, discount codes, abandoned cart recovery, and basic automation tools to help businesses attract and convert customers. Another feature getting attention recently is Shopify's AI capabilities. The platform now includes AI powered tools that can help to generate content, assist with store setup, and speed up the product listing creation. This can save time for the store owners who are just getting started. Now let's talk about the pricing. Shopify offers several plans depending on the size of your business. The basic plan is designed for the new businesses, while higher tier plans add more staff accounts, advanced reporting, lower transaction fees, and additional features. Enterprise level businesses can choose Shopify Plus, which is designed for large scale operations. While the platform itself is reasonably priced, it is important to remember that additional cost can come from premium themes, paid apps, email marketing, and other add ons. For some businesses, these extra costs can add up over time. While the platform itself is reasonably priced, it is important to remember that additional cost can come from the premium themes, paid email marketing, and other add ons. For some businesses, these extra costs can add up over time. Now, let's discuss the downside. One limitation is that some advanced functionality requires third party apps. While Shopify has a huge app marketplace, relying on too many apps can increase monthly costs. Another consideration is that Shopify is primarily built for e-commerce. If your goal is simply creating a business website without selling products, other website builders may offer more flexibility at a lower cost. So, what's the verdict? For anyone serious about e-commerce, Shopify remains one of the strongest platforms available. It combines ease of use, powerful selling features, scalability, and reliable infrastructure into one package. Whether you are launching your first online store or growing an established business, Shopify provides the tools that needed to support long-term growth. That brings us to the end of this video. Shopify continues to be one of the best choices for online selling businesses. Thanks to its powerful features, strong ecosystem, and ability to grow alongside the business. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe this channel and check the description link for any available Shopify offers. And I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.